Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, 9th Federal students. I am your maths teacher, Miss Sana Nayam. Today we discuss chapter matrices and determinant from exercise 1.2. Types of a matrix. First type, rectangular matrix. If the number of rows is not equal to number of columns, is called rectangular matrix. For example, if a matrix A, order of this matrix is 2 by 1, in which number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Type 2, square matrix. If the number of rows is equal to number of columns, is called square matrix. For example, A matrix, order of this matrix is 2 by 2, in which number of rows is equals to number of columns. Row matrix. If the matrix has only one row, is called row matrix. For example, A matrix, AB, order of this matrix is 1 by 2, in which 1 rows and 2 columns. Transpose of a matrix. Type 6. A matrix obtained by interchanging the rows into columns or column into rows, called transpose of a matrix. For example, A matrix elements are A, B, C, D. Apply transpose. A transpose is equals to A, B, C, D transpose. The result is the first row converted into a first column, AB, and the second row CD is converted into a second column, CD. Find the transpose of the following matrix. Your first matrix A is equals to 0, 1 and minus 2. Solution. Write your question as it is, taking transpose on both sides. Now converted rows into column 0, 1 and minus 2. Question number 3. C is equals to matrix 1, 2, 2 and minus 1, 3 and 0. Solution of 3. Write your question as it is, taking transpose on both sides. So C transpose is equals to 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 3 and 0. Apply transpose in it. Rows 1, 1 and 2 converted into a column 1. 2 and minus 1, row 2 converted into a column 2. 2 and minus 1, 3, 0, row 2. Row 3, it is converted into a column 3. So this is your result. Negative of a matrix. Type 7. Let A be a matrix, then its negative minus A is obtained by changing sign of all the entries of A. For example, A matrix elements are A, B, C, D. Apply negative sign. All entries converted into a negative. Question number 4. Find negative of matrices when A matrix is equals to 1, 0, minus 1. Solution. Write your question as it is. Apply negative sign on it. So the positive values is converted into a negative and the negative values is converted into a positive. So the result is minus 1, 0 and 1. Part 2. B matrix is equals to 3, minus 1, 2 and 1. Solution. Write your question as it is. Apply negative sign on it. So minus 3, 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Symmetric matrix type 8. A square matrix is symmetric if it is equal to its transpose, that is, matrix A is symmetric if A transpose is equals to A. For example, let A is a matrix 1, 2, 2 and 3. By taking transpose on both sides, A transpose is equals to row 1, 1, 2 change into column 1, 2, and row 2, 2, 3 is converted into a column 2, 2, 3. So A transpose is equals to A. Skew symmetric matrix type 9. A square matrix is skew symmetric if it is equals to its transpose, that is negative of A is skew symmetric. Type 10. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is called a diagonal matrix if at least any one of the entries of its diagonal is not 0 and non-diagonal entries must all be 0. For example, let A matrix elements are in a diagonal elements are 1, 2, 3 and other elements are 0. Example 2. The diagonal elements are 1, 0 and minus 4 and other elements are 0. Example number 3. C matrix is equals to the diagonal elements are 0, 0 and 3 and other elements are 0. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix A is called scalar matrix if the diagonal entries are same and non-diagonal entries must all be 0. For example, let A, the diagonal elements are same 2, 2, 2 and other elements are 0. In B, the diagonal elements are minus 6 and other elements are 0. Identity or a unit identity matrix. A diagonal matrix is called an identity or unit matrix if the diagonal entries are 1 and non-diagonal entries must all be 0. It is denoted by I. For example, let I2 is equals to the diagonal entries are 1, 1 and other elements are 0. Matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. I3, this is a 3 by 3 matrix and the diagonal entries are 1 and other elements are 0. This is called identity or a unit matrix. Class 9 Federal. This is a homework. Chapter number 1, exercise 1.2, in which question number 1 till 3 and question number 6 to complete. Question number 4, third, fourth and fifth part. Question number 5, second, fourth, fifth and